Ever feel like your painting is a total disaster halfway through? Don't put the brush down just yet. Today, we're breaking down the ugly stage and showing you exactly how to turn these chaotic shapes into a professional portrait. Let's dive in. She starts with the block-in phase. Notice how we aren't worrying about eyelashes or tiny details. She is mapping out the big masses, the dark frame of the hair, and the midtones of the face. In art, the silhouette is your foundation. Get the shapes right now, and the details will take care of themselves later. Now, we start carving the face out of the paint, adding those blue iris blocks and the shadow under the nose. The portrait begins to find its soul. We aren't drawing lines. We're placing values. Watch how the background color is brought in early. This helps us gauge the contrast of the skin tones so they don't look washed out. This is where the magic happens. We're layering peaches, tans, and cooler shadows to build 3D volume. See how the brushwork stays visible? This painterly style adds energy and movement. We're following the planes of the face, making sure the light source remains consistent across the forehead and cheeks. Final stretch. Instead of just a dark mass, watch as the artist adds fine, individual strokes to define the braid and those wispy flyaway hairs that catch the light. We're also placing the final specular highlights, those sharp white dots on the nose and eyes, to give the skin a realistic, hydrated glow. Chapter in, and there it is, proof that you just have to trust the process. If this breakdown helped you see portraits differently, hit that subscribe button and let me know. What's the hardest part of a portrait for you?